Hey, my name is Eric Hunter,
Hi, I'm Kathy Waits.
and we are going to talk about our new program called Color Healing with Pendulums. So thanks for watching this video. Kathy and I have a new course that we've created that we are really excited about. And what I want to do in this video is share some information about the course with you. And Kathy will share some information as well to help you decide if this is a course that you want to study. And I'll just say right away that I feel this is one of the most important courses that I've created in a long time, in a while. And I've created a lot of good ones lately, a lot of amazing courses. So this is a real powerhouse. And this course can really potentially fundamentally change the way you do your pendulum alchemy and pendulum healing work. So let me just tell you a little bit about the background history of this, and we'll give you some examples of how we use color healing. And then we'll talk a little bit about the course itself and explain when it's happening, what's involved. All right, so the background to the story is that, I've been using color with pendulum alchemy since I started. When I came into this field, there was this concept like sending blue-green energy or sending gray energy, etc. And it's always been there, but it really hasn't been like as highly developed as it could be as a practice. And Kathy was taking the Pendulum Healing Certification Program, which she graduated from recently. Congratulations, that was awesome. Anyway, and Kathy's special project in the program, because everyone in the program creates their own special project based on their area of personal interest. Her personal area of interest was the use of color with pendulums. And when she proposed that topic to me, I was like, okay, that's cool. I mean, we use color currently, and we do a lot of energy reading. Like I have an entire course I created with Robin Shade called Effective Dowsing, where we're reading energies using color. And we have there are lots of courses where we read the color chart. And then there's lots of times where we've sent colors, like in the Universal Pendulum course, you'd be sending specific colors. But there's more to it. You can do more than that. So when I was looking at Kathy's work for her special project, I was blown away because she was presenting different ways to do what we always do, but using color, and also providing some completely novel approaches. So this course stems from her work on the special project in the certification program. And what we did was we worked on it. We tried to simplify what she was doing, sort of streamline it. We brainstormed some new ideas. We tested this stuff out, and we got some very exciting results. And we feel that you will benefit tremendously, and other people will benefit from you incorporating this color healing into your work. And so I want to like Kathy just briefly tell us a little bit about her work with color. Just go ahead, Kathy.
Okay, thank you. It basically kind of started with one of your courses where we would do the energy and it would show which color, what the energy was. And the ideal color was always going to be blue-green. Your whole goal was to reach blue-green. But when I would come up with, say, yellow or green, anything but blue-green, I go, well, how do I get it to blue-green? How do I get that color to change from here to here? And so I started just sending that color. So if it came up green, I just started sending green to that, whatever the situation was. And then I'd check it again, and then it would change it to blue-green. I thought, aha, that's how you do it. And so then I started adding color to all of my different commands. But one of the most profound things that happened for me, which really kind of clicked in my mind, was my dog was really, really sick. He had a collapsed trachea and was just constantly coughing so bad that he was having trouble eating. He couldn't keep anything down. He was constantly coughing. And I would be doing all the commands that I knew to do, but nothing seemed to be working for like 2 weeks. And I finally said, okay, that's it. I'm starting to send some color. And I went through your sheet to find out what colors would be the good colors to send for what the purpose of calming him down, trying to get his trachea back in line and rebalancing and all that. And so I just said all these different colors at one time. And within 5 minutes, the coughing stopped and he never coughed again. That's when I knew that I needed to add color from then on as a powerful tool, because it just made the commands more powerful.
Right. And I remember you even telling me, like, in the very beginning of the certification program, you were like, I'm a little concerned because I'm not getting the same results as other people with commands by themselves. But then once you hit on this color aspect, your personal work really shifted. And then you started seeing results where you weren't personally seeing them before, even though other people were. So I thought that was pretty interesting. So from these very humble beginnings, we developed an entire course with very simple but highly detailed and not necessarily intuitive methods. These are, some of these methods are completely new. No one's ever done them before, as far as we're aware. Ways of using color with pendulum alchemy and pendulum healing. So if you're interested in this concept of using color or taking the current use of color that we use in pendulum alchemy and pendulum healing to the next level, please go to my website, pendulumalchemy.com. And I have there, I have a course page. Can you see the courses page right now, Kathy? Is that showing?
Yes.
All right, great. So what you do is go here to my website, pendulumalchemy.com, and go to the courses section. It says upcoming course, Color Healing with Pendulums. You click that, and it will take you to the course website. And it will say, Color Healing with Pendulums, tap into the power of color. And we explain in more detail what like the benefits are of this course, who we are, and we have the curriculum laid out. So you can see you're going to learn 6 different methods of doing color healing with pendulums. Each method is unique. We provide detailed step-by-step instructions for each method, how to use them, you know, what are some tips and tricks to make the method more effective, what are some variations you can do on the methods. And then we also have sections on the theory. So those of you who want to understand why we're doing it the way we're doing it, that's explained in there. We also have sections about, you know, next steps, like where do you want to go, or like we want to hear about your successes. We also have a review built in so that once you've gone through the material, you can do a practice review to make sure that you really understand the concepts. And if you don't, you can go back to those sections you had trouble with, and you can ask us questions that we'll answer about the topics. So it's really a very, very thorough and complete course. The handout is 28 pages long, but don't let that scare you. That's a good thing, because we really made sure that this was super easy for you to follow, super easy for you to go step by step and know exactly what to do each step of the way. And we start off with very simple things, and then we get more and more advanced as we go through. But even in the most advanced sections, you will be able to easily follow it step by step and see results. So really good course, really complete. It's going to be opening on the 18th. So if you're watching this before December 18th, you want to sign up now for the early bird special, because after that date, the course price is going to go up. So sign up now for the course. If you're watching this after the 18th, the price is what it is, but the course is extremely valuable and you will get more than your money's worth on this. So it is just jam-packed with brand new information that is super powerful, that is really going to make your pendulum alchemy and pendulum healing work go to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or you're an advanced student or an advanced practitioner who's been doing this for a long time, you are going to tremendously benefit from the information that's in this course. So sign up now before the 18th to get the early bird price, which is only $67, which is really a steal for the amount of information that you're getting. All right, just a couple other things about the course. It is online. So once you sign up on the course open date, the course will then become available 24/7. It consists of mini videos They're like 5-10 minutes, like 10 or 15 minutes long each. You watch them and then you can ask questions about them. And there's a handout that goes along with it. So you can start practicing immediately. You go through step by step. And there's also a place for you to review your knowledge and a place for you to share about all the cool stuff you have with you. So it's a really nice course, really complete, very thorough, very user-friendly. You're going to love it. It's going to be, you're just going to be like, wow, this is great. So please check it out and start incorporating the color healing in ways that you haven't done so before. And we're really convinced that you're going to be surprised. Even those who've been doing this for a long time, you're going to be pleasantly surprised by what you learn in the program. So yeah, just want to thank you for watching this video. And we look forward to seeing you in the course. And have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.